Let's get you fully set up for remote support. Start by heading to the Play Store. It's straightforward and we'll guide you through. Search for Knox Remote Support. Once you see it, tap Download and let it install. When it's done, open it up. You'll see a screen. Tap Continue. Now, hang tight. I'll send you a code shortly. Once you receive it, enter it carefully. After that, we'll be right there on your tablet, ready to assist. And if you have any issues, just let us know. We're here to help.